Today's November 20th. I am aboard Towboat Discovery. We're headed out to a restaurant called Off the Hook, where I'm going to pick up a 20-foot Hydrosport with engine. So today is not one of my days to work. I got called in. Captain Travis is offshore right now with Timothy M. Shea bringing in a boat. And we may actually see him by the time I pick this boat up and make our way back towards the inlet. We may meet up with him coming through. Hello, Timothy Shea. Hello, Timothy Shea. This is Towboat Discovery.
You call Towboat on 1-4?
Yeah, this is Towboat Discovery.
What are you doing?
I'm headed up to pick up a stranded boat here at Off the Hook.
Yeah, I'm a little tied up right now out here.
What's your ETA, do you think, to get back to the inlet?
ETA right now is showing about 4 o'clock. I should be in the inlet.
Okie doke, we might actually see you.
Yeah, I'm headed to bring him over to the causeway ramp, so I'll be headed south.
I have the same destination.
When did they call you out for that one?
About an hour ago. I guess they figured since you were all the way out there and time was of the essence, they asked me if I could do it.
Look at you being a good citizen. How nice of you.
We aim the please. Towboat Discovery standing by on 1416. So what's up? She just won't start? Just won't start? All right, let me pull up here. Same marina.
Yeah, I saw that. So do we ride in our boat?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Here's what we're going to do. Let's see.
You're going to tie to the front?
Yeah, I'm going to...
Tell me what you want me to do.
actually, all I really need you to do is to hold the boat at the dock when I kick off so that we don't...
Yeah.
And I'll turn this way and you hop in. Let me get myself ready here. I'm Chris, by the way.
And I'm Dave.
That's Dave.
And that's Sandy. And that's Cassie, the dog. How long do you think it'll take us to get back?
30 to 45 minutes.
Okay. I just wanted to give them a heads up. The other one who put the motor in, they're really apologetic.
They were there when I left. They asked me when I was coming back, but at the very least, he told me just to bring it in by the gas dock if they're not there. So, all right, why don't you go ahead and untie.
Broadcast 30 Florida, Atlantic Ocean, keep
Give your bow a push off and then hop on.
This is Novella. Hello, sir. Can I get a slow pod pass?
I will go more support as much as I can.
What we'll do
If you can slow down, I will slow down as well. Okay.
is when we get near the marina, I'll pull you up alongside and tie you up alongside. Timothy Shea, this is Discovery, 1-4.
What's your current location?
Kind of rounding the corner here near the New Smyrna Marina.
Alright, I'm coming underneath the North Causeway right now, so I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Understood. Actually, I'm going to the Causeway Marina, not to the boat.
That's where I'm headed. I'm dropping him at the fuel dock right there at the marina.
Oh, me too. I'll get there first.
I came from a lot further away, I think.
What do you want me to lift them on?
You can now, yeah. Yeah, I just switched over. Actually, Travis is coming in right behind me with another
I say he's got the Freedom boat. That was 16 miles off, right?
15 miles.
Yeah.
Aren't they? Are they supposed to go offshore?
Yeah, they're allowed to go offshore. I think they're limited to 30, which is pretty impressive. I think they're limited to wherever you guys go.
Yeah, going down. Hey Chris, let me know when you're clear in there. I don't want to clog it up too much with both of us trying to move stuff around.
I'm clear. I'm over by the travel lift, so you've got plenty of room by the gas dock.
10-4. I'll be there momentarily.
Yeah, I'll wait here at the dock. I can't hear. It's like really muffled. Do you hear stuff?
U.S. Coast Guard, U.S. Coast Guard, U.S. Coast Guard. This is Tiki Hay, Tiki Hay, Tiki Hay. Tiki Hay, this is U.S. Coast Guard, go ahead, over. Thank you. We've heard the warnings of various launch zones that are restricted. We're approaching Cape Canaveral around 10 or 11 o'clock tonight on a catamaran, trying to figure out exactly where we can and can't go.
TTA, request your ship to channel 22 Alpha 1022. If unable to establish communications, request your ship back to channel 16. How copy?